ComfyUI Image Generator Cloud generate AI images instantly, anywhere in Figma. Step 1. Obtain your API key from Replicate and input it into the plugin. The plugin comes pre-equipped with designer-friendly workflows and models to boost your efficiency. Text-to-image workflow. Input prompts, set aspect ratios, and generate images instantly. Leverage the Flux series models for exceptional image quality. Just make sure your prompts are well-crafted. Remove background workflow. Intelligently detect subjects for effortless background removal, a designer essential. Sketch-to-image workflow. Transform rough sketches into polished renderings by adding prompts. Notice the impressive material textures on this Figma icon, a testament to the output quality. Blend images workflow. Seamlessly integrate diverse elements into a unified composition while maintaining visual consistency and harmony. Upscale and Detail Enhancement workflow. Enhance low-resolution assets with intelligent upscaling and detail refinement. Eliminate material scarcity anxiety for good. Style transfer workflow. Replicate and extend visual styles across multiple assets while maintaining character and theme consistency. LLM Prompt Enhancer. Describe your needs in any language. AI refines prompts and auto-generates richly detailed images. Thank you for watching. Explore more on Figma community by searching ComfyUI Image Generator Cloud.